Mm. That's Leia. How's the taste, Leia?
Mmm. It tastes like egg. Like egg. Egg juice. Egg juice. Egg juice. It's actually really good. Oh, it's good.
Is that good, balut, Leia?
Yeah.
Wow.
I just touched the bullet. It's so squishy. It's squishy.
Mama,
It was hard for me.
Mama buy special for you guys.
Try it, honey.
It's
good.
You like? Oh, you like the soup?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
And then next we
Put
had
the shell in there.
next we had to try the balut.
Why are you laughing?
It's funny. Okay, let's try the balut. Let's crack it. This is gonna take a long time. Oh,
Oh, the burgers come out good.
sorry. Oh my god, Lonnie, you should have drank the juice before.
That's the best part.
Hey, Jonah.
Is it good?
It's real good. It's really, really good. Still have juice. Yep, really good. Oh, where's the eye in this? I'm so scared. I'm scared.
You even like it?
Oh look!
OMG!
Look at
You
that.
make like this now.
Look.
No, you eat the yellow one.
It looks like a brain.
You have to eat the yellow one.
Okay, let's try.
Take one fork. Here.
Only eat the
Yellow.
Yeah. Excuse me, mommy. Then you dump it. Dump it. Okay, let's try it.
Oh, balut is so good, Daddy.
Now after we peeled it, now we're gonna try it
Yeah.
with sticks. Good. I actually like the yellow. It's good. Ah. I like the juice too. Oh.
Eat it before it wakes back up.